different radio stations ka label pam yeden kanata pama but actually and the born and deep feel pa la lay to ma polo but sometimes in ka at the radio to mapune be radio mama the worama kamane ay to gum ka ye to ali gina radio po hay dama la ndangele tenda bien ka we radio savana kon kon bi ay to gum ka so tilla be ka bo ya wumle ko ye no radio pune it means that ye manglen yele the ko ye to ali be tuniri gina radio pune ka ta pa ye mangle de kan ye ne kala ko pa set la standard chele nzan temmanga ayila yiba vela lirke pulma jinjan kara yila ma ayila yiba vela ko to murna ke that is one and then two I born ne mina non business via business ka tiens ka drive ngozo sheta asesele ngere ni ne servien yanga kam wala don to molle sham da to molle ya ka tatra preja bi ka tatra preja ado kan yel ne kamane radio nyala ben shao so kam za sane mine kama labeti jina ni mane de wara tum ne yel mangle but it's rather unfortunate apan to nya ka radio presentation point zo ka difila ka ko pour le from pile wa halatu na for good 3 hours ka yel man cheche karapone but for all that radio station managers na nya ne shaba ba entertainer la ne moma so ma to asajina pam kala ye to ma nyala be shadenye maybe artist and a presenter in the different radio station halatu extend ka parara yulti jina even though yulni jina ni ma de no malajib say because all the time la nyale in sel kamza sa yulni to jina kona kamza so to yulni jina lola kamza sa wara good or bad to ko take lam no because tena mama janta bole so definitely hala to bo borgo shako bole ka bukata male ye to sa jina pam ke to ashati jina ntala to ma sa jina de sanyela be sha afana yersa no mamur hadi pam la to ashade sa jina ma even though so ncheka la radio station ma the management ntata la presenter ma never understand kamane nta yuli tila mention la radio station ma pune presenter mama one okane and then two management mama manga chama ka understand kamane news what the papa shamna level in the radio fraternity mbar hanka she de no to che ka lord diba yes because mala show my national radio na ka bol so yule be na bola yule di pale here di be nyi top biao I've never done that in my life ka so kamza samile I monitor my venga gamba my national radio ne karanya yele to shele di nyi top biao so tinira bien bashir pa I've never done that ko sanang le banyi yishine radio ne karanya all the time if not parara to akayen yele be me be yele to akaranya la parara be nyi ku gum kar ku garatabel ne ba fur hadi nyela me be jingle nyela karanya garatabel ne de nyela problem zanta it is time nin cheka radio presenters especially that particular radio presenter no radio station ka bang na kamane mpani vo so ngun wil border gombu ne yiren yes the pala level ma kan bona understand kamane zo nyere last and will it lambole I'm making it clear so come dima shahara wara wil bole kan nyala al here nyelbe ka al here nyele send la warning ne la radio presenter mo retention ka bole wili on radio de nyala here be de pala here because mbenya da me reason why kan yam be radio puna kan mai ka sone ka so yam de shepul kan mai bi woni yes so won kan gum da won chekara pare la ndirma 100 bonan take action shanga ba den nan kan nyala ide ni kura nyala ba gum sote and then tuma mama ni kura shab nyala ban tumle kana be ben yef yana kan mone tote bu kon ko advice chama kan yi to alma yani because the first play ndi zan la ta ko tu karti di radio mama manga radio presenter mama ndi yang bagom ka discipline bien de discipline ma kama yan melon solo dashi ma sometimes ye to apam kan no an to kunya ka ti so yelo ngo parara ko fo ka presenter yelo ngo kan fo kan bo yelo ngo kan fo you understand ni sala I met pa par shele especially at mama funa at tumlen ta pa par shele to ne yira wazu ma din nya den sane mambo suru na won nembe radio fune ha le ka radio ma ti yele ya parara mama mambla mbora kan na biara fo no kala la nyam mai mastur la na on be radio to ma fune karinya ma yen chele ka den yen chama so sometimes to ye ka so shini che pulo ka yele to abana dila ma ne yele bahana kan ba gargama you know kama dila mo ka option o ka lo she pulo dun tunu chan be o ka file she dun tunu di lo she pulo mi ka she no lan tum tun shele di ko pa de no ko yembe ma mi ma yembe to ma nembe to I can be in radio forever no let's ka be yisam na ka tum ne to ma ma you radio ne be chama the likes of Alasa so yin ne ma eden DJ Carlos brother National you know legends in yala bantum le vien yalanga no Kennedy nem zaha o yulma governor ne ma you know you can't count them but zaha yala ne be shabantum radio ka chele zel ka ta to tumle so ni ma kar nyala jakab za abora ne kama ko biara puna forever then fine ama nguna no ka interest ne ndi biara puna hale kartik chama so ay je radio puna kar nyala ni yen di fila kamza di parada yulen jina but this time around la no ambo no so kamza bang ne kama different parada ki yun mawo ki yipum mi parada so mambala tenon so lo ma te yu pam ama this time around ambo no so kamza bang ne kama no so lo she yin yun ma to po ka tien ki so kwat ze ka vel toya de tunen yele ka so kamza ha bang popo ka tin chita kwat ze ka vel toya de ko mbor na understand kama nyen yele to ashele kan yele whether in the supply nya de tumen cheka understand kama tan mamang baza ha beng ben yusum buri tale to nyen nguna de ko mala la fi zanta you sit on radio ka men so mel fila different artists by in a different way to extend ka parada yule gina de pone ne parada mindi non da jila parada min lil ke changa kra no to song babi wula ne ka zang ba chang di sharafatu guna bi pa so yang na te jiban diro ne ka lir ke min parada to so sula pa ma fu you know it doesn't make sense because since jamani sel bi yulum mina ka yulum mina ban yula kaman an yang su fu na ko bang you understand la issue so anyela dan kana ye to pam kana bamba all the time to ko pa la so la ka che kar chena kan bonu sungo so kamza haji mashara mpun chang radio station man mamang antete warning ka yelbe management kama really tell mention la radio station man kai no don't really be tamal na they will be disappointed in me the cordon dem am to take action down on the celebrate believe in the pararambara you go to chama ka shabi jong na basu na borcham karna ngala kamane la ndir ma banan su yongo be banan su industry ma ka te biene karnya ke to ashelo to ko ba di en cheka su do biene badi yan chena continuously karnya maybe substance be in tramo membe yan shan yan cheki yar bin shan den tumsa na da to pen ba yam not trabo ma pune ke bang na kamane ka jama shimba man ko garabin chata kalan garma jabo it's not possible to to non you understand one din yel rab garma lagre pamle ab garma pamle certificate be certificate ab garma tuma mama ab mi le garma you understand dilen yel ab garma be to yun ni ka family you understand aka be akapa you nothing so boso kam mine yeto ayen kaman mine yeto ayen tapne so that's why sometimes anto sonto shin ka difila be la particular man to shin ka difila kaman ba garge ne ba garma nyela yulla bin yer shanga mina the distance ni nyesha the mala 100 min 2 you understand because you ma even proper girlfriend akoto bosti ka yel ma yeto akan yara lafsra why will I do that you understand agent dun kar blow ko le kana to ban wara create family bi ako create family ka yel me to akan gargara I don't do that you understand shukuru za din ya shukuru sa tin minan chan shukuru kayina at the end of the day apart from SS maza amnya palo shepolo so bozo kamia yan compete you understand radio trauma me din mbele ma mina ko to nyeyim comment TV din nya TV an kana TV bako de bayi bi na program de zab sa da zan anan da pune you understand so come on what is it den lenye den san bon nambang be shaan zang garma jago fune you know so lander ma de butun be bib jago fune be de butun be radio fune kanye ka radio stations managers bela sabiene kan entertainer ba just because o me na de end of the month ma on yere to shama ngum believe in hyper low radio station ko ne to nye 300 Ghana zang to e fada ma to zoromi so kan bon send big warning zang ti on pom be clear so dit l'engine ka bolen yule especially radio tamale Mr. Tell ni ngu kan wumna tuna yellow ka cha ko mbon be yellow ko wum radio tamale Mr. Tell on say nchang ni mane a wende ka tuba warning de ko na jinjin ka bol so yule mane jinjin ka bola yule di pa le heri de wa me jokes to ayen yele ama yele to aka bola yule no be shatin ya kazan fo de woron kama me be bongum se tan pang mambala de ko tan pang ni kuranan to je ka nya ben shao fo no ba nyarle so manin nya ben yer sha ka san fo sometimes nya nyele de kama 1% ka yor fraganda agba 1 million zon na ba sura gane ka to nya pam na lor ne ka nyu ndakok ka nyi ndi yer ganda ambitious nyu ko ko non gara ngone shi kwela You understand? Kala la bring yel kat do shi char yomo kat ki kat ye to atra mai kati to mai dia katanga. You understand? You know pam yela bantum radio at the end of the day ka excel through the radio. The last of us so you know when you look at them and you never so feel proud. Even Carlos still being on radio and you are feeling proud. Why chang Carlos ka chang ten you jahagushi kan you mino family ka so yeah you salute him. The same thing, I chant the page the lives of what is the name? Paula Dumochiri and other people. I will be saying yera. I'm gonna come and no believer la good life. Governor of the Airways, Diamond FM. I chant the power of Biagoshi. Dole nye sha salutu. Kabe radio pune. You can't boast of anything. Come and shout. Then kapo the all the time. Ka send a signal. Never yene kama ami parada de la competition. Dumpa subne bakana. Dine kabugum sa vien yelanga. Kami kama shop tumla radio ma ka tana kana ka na bia benye viene ka tumla radio ma ako sabor na bor competition won ka ya compete your godfather ni wo shop bantum radio ma ka kana ta pa ma bia bia repune so ni create a competition it means that abela you can ma so I'm not in competition with anybody but I'm sending a signal ka bon ni sel na gum le vien yelanga because I get it to Karinyela kama maybe ayara kare ayara mbasra it's normal man bien garge ama to extend ka to bolen wile tal level allegation ni bane fo ma me bien zo ni ko zang le ta ko tu de ka ye to be hen yele ban yul ma hal zang ta ko tu deformation of character be na yu aka ko bo how much are you going to give me so the best thing yele can discipline her so mbar so kamza haji shahara the next time can take action then they even believe in the pararam ba ko yele man so mbon land ba woji yelo ko bang kama no mpane you see sometimes to live together man the chamaka never shaba understand never shaba nyetu we are kids be na nyawa o but now so kan yara ma be ya shaba ti 10 other side of us I've been believing the 10 balama then you said lil ki min parara be chalan kara nebra orange ban chankara no to songba ka chanto sufun what do you mean you don't have anything in your pocket. You don't have anything. You understand? Can I watch radio? Can yelling in no worship na yell bahmana. You see, where shall I be born and you select it? But the next time, can you look mention by such presenter? Can yell whether in yellow good or bad? Torrent Delma and Madden Kaya ni selling believe in the man and better. And if a radio station you protect her, because you come maybe you are more important, you are valuable because you are radio in your height. Imagine, we are kind of born a radio in your hype, can you in hype in the wrong direction? So when she and Berser Pandirman unnecessary Yashanga, can you feel proud? Then you don't even know what to tell the presenter. Nichako Bank, if you management even me and Nasham. Got a champion yellow vehicle Magoma to manage to understand it. Mammy, so come to Shahara. You told me for years, but you can attend 10 and let down, come over. But this is the time. But I compare him, Mina. You understand? Even my firstborn, but I compare him, I'm Banaka, I'm Banaka, no. You don't have anything. So, my Mina Kutu Malay competition. To Kutu Malay competition. I mean, we are Malay competition, fine. Maybe I will go so I'm a money. Because in life now, Bishak comes Zaha, Mbanyangarma, Bishak, this a look to boasty. Bekan Garmanya, Yavili. Because I don't want now to like a promise. And that's why sometimes you know so yelman but I never can forget the kachena. Because maybe I have to claim my they don't have done Adam to be can done people. But in life, we shall not be able to be Garma. So no matter what she knows on Timbaloma. Alright, so